How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the wonderful and amazing gold tip marjoram. Now, some of you will have heard of marjoram before. It's a beautiful flavour, isn't it? And a very popular herb. Gold tip marjoram is a little bit different to other varieties of marjoram. This is nice and hardy, it's quite easy to grow. It will survive the winter so long as it's in nice free draining soil. We'll get to that later. But gold tip marjoram is really special because the new growth starts to get a beautiful golden variegation on the leaf. So during the colder months of the year, when this beautiful golden colour emerges, you get a beautiful effect and a little bit of interest throughout the year also. As I mentioned before, this is really easy to grow. Plant it somewhere sunny and in nice free draining soil. That's really important. This doesn't want to be waterlogged, especially during the colder winter months. It doesn't want to be sitting in water. Plant it somewhere sunny, and as the plant grows, just bunch the herb together and snip the top third on a regular basis. Now, what are you going to be using the wonderful gold tip marjoram for? Well, if ever there was a variety that was designed for pasta and pizza, it's this one right here. Seriously. During 2021 we got so into making our own homemade pizza, and gold tip marjoram featured in a lot of those pizzas. The flavour is beautiful, delicate, but kind of musky at the same time, so it's absolutely perfect for those savoury dishes, that Mediterranean cooking. We absolutely love gold tip marjoram on a homemade pizza. Nice added to a homemade lasagna too. Lasagna is one of my favourite dishes. I could eat it all day long, and marjoram just goes with lasagna so well. It's great with pasta dishes too. If you stir it in during the cooking process, it infuses in a really exciting way. Gorgeous flavour, gold tip marjoram. So we've established that gold tip marjoram is easy to grow. It goes through the winter, no problems there here in the UK. It looks great too with the golden variegation, and it's really versatile when you use it in the kitchen. What is not to like? Are you sold on this plant? Because this really is one of my favourites. My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in today's video I've introduced you to the beautiful and amazing gold tipped marjoram. It really is a special plant, isn't it? And I hope that wherever you are watching this in the world, whenever you're watching this, you're nodding your head now and thinking, yeah, this is a really delicious flavour, I love growing it. If you haven't grown this before, maybe you're thinking, wow, I need to find this. If you're in the UK, you can get it from Urban Herbs. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. We never ever take your time for granted, and I've enjoyed introducing you to this beautiful variety. Wherever you're watching this in the world, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Lasagna is one of my favourite dishes, isn't it, you? Lasagna is one of my favourite dishes. I could eat it all day. And gold tip marjoram featured in a lot of those pizzas.